Well, good afternoon. It is Earth Day, as we've been telling you about today, and we've just got some beautiful weather for it here today. So happy Earth Day. Enjoy it if you can get out, even for a little bit here today. We've got that beautiful blue sky in Fargo and some sunshine. It's been shining since it's been up since 6:26 this morning, and that's helping our temperature to really rise. We're at 60 degrees. Wind is getting brisk here. It's out of the west southwest at 17 with a gust to 28 in Fargo. And in Moorhead, we're at 61 degrees. So we are warming up fast here in the valley. And in Grand Forks, a similar picture, nice and bright and blue, looking toward the Red River and toward downtown Grand Forks. We're seeing temperatures there a little bit warmer at 61 degrees with mostly sunny skies, wind west southwest at 16 and a gust to 25. So a breezy one. That's the one caveat we have to put up with today. And that wind can cause some problems here because it's still very dry. We're working on greening things up, but we still have some pretty dry conditions out there. And it's dry. The air itself is dry that's moving in. So we're looking at the potential for any fires to spread quickly, to become out of control. So we want you to make sure that you are not burning today and avoiding any behaviors that could lead to the spread of wildfire. So again, winds are strong. We are seeing some gusts into the 20s, a gust to 30 in Langdon, and in Sisseton 31 miles per hour. So some of us getting into the low 30s. That wind will continue to be with us through the afternoon. Check this out. This is our radar and satellite map. Nothing to show you here in the valley. You can see a little bit of clouds down into South Dakota, and that's an area we're watching for later tonight. Actually, two areas. We've got some rain down in South Dakota here that we're keeping an eye on. This is making its way north and east, so this will be approaching our southwestern counties first. And then this right here, this is a cold front, another one moving in, and it's going to impact us on Friday. So that'll eventually be taken over, and we're looking at some conditions that will end up with some cooler weather. So enjoy this afternoon if you can. We're looking at some temperatures again back into the 60s this afternoon, a few degrees warmer where we are now. Not necessarily everybody hitting 60, but we'll all be a lot milder than we've been and closer to average. That wind keeps going here through the afternoon and into the evening. Remember that red flag warning is in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. And eventually that wind does start to ease up. The clouds start to push in the late night hours. So if you're down by the South Dakota line, you're going to see those first, perhaps likely before sunset. And then the chance for rain will follow in some of those areas as we head into the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. And this is 7 a.m. tomorrow. You can see that rain has moved in, and the snow, the front, meets up with it. And that will sweep everything out of here as we head through the day, but not before creating some rain showers or some scattered areas of light snow as the front moves through. So as we head through the day, that wind, as the front's moving through, will turn northerly. It'll get a little brisk in the wake of the front as well. And our temperatures may actually be dropping through the day. So we might warm up initially in places like the south and east, and then the colder air rushes in and we watch those temperatures start to dip into the afternoon. So we could see our highs maybe around noon or before that there. It'll be sooner up in the northern valley because we'll have that colder air take over. So again, tomorrow, that chance for some precipitation with that front and colder air takes over for the rest of the day Friday. And even heading into the weekend, we're looking at some chances for a couple of flakes. I think they may clear out in time though for Saturday, and we'll end up with some sunshine, but it'll be cool. Sunday, we ramp back up our chances for precipitation starting Sunday and into next week as well.
And you know, Lisa, the weather is perfect for people to go out and pick up that litter. As I was driving from I-29, I saw a huge group out there actually doing that. So I'm happy the weather cooperated with them. Thank you again, Lisa. Well, straight ahead at noon, a new label that certifies products that are good for the environment. You may be noticing it on store shelves soon.